Good morning, children. Area function. We have defined integral a to b fx dx is the area of the curve bounded by the region. Listen. Let y is equal to fx is the curve and integral a to b fx dx is the area of the curve bounded by the region. Here its ordinates are x is equal to a and x is equal to b in the x-axis. Now we take a point x on this closed interval AB. Now integral a to x, here a to x, we take a point x on the interval AB, a to x fx dx is the area function and it is represented by ax. Integral a to x fx dx is the area function. It is represented by ax. Then we have fundamental theorem of calculus. Theorem 1. Let f be continuous function on the closed interval AB and then ax be the area function. Then a dash x is equal to fx for all x in AB. That is theorem 1. Let f be a continuous function on the closed interval AB and let ax is the area function. Then first one, a dash x is equal to fx for all x in AB in the closed interval AB. Theorem 2. Let f be continuous function on the closed interval AB and f be an antiderivative of f. Then integral a to b fx dx is equal to fb minus fa. Integral a to b fx dx is equal to fb minus fa. This is theorem 2. Now we are going to solve problems. Question 1. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. 1. Integral 2 to 3 x square dx. First we find integral x square dx. That is equal to x cube by 3. Put this is equal to f of x. Then f of x is equal to f of what is upper limit 3 minus f of lower limit 2 is equal to in x cube by 3 common 1 by 3 into first value of x is 3 cube minus second value of x is 2 cube is equal to 1 by 3 into 27 minus 8 is equal to 19 divided by 3. 19 by 3. Second question. Integral 4 to 9 root x dx divided by 30 minus x raised to 3 by 2 the whole square. First we integrate this without limit. Root x dx divided by 30 minus x raised to 3 by 2 the whole square. Put t is equal to 30 minus x raised to 3 by 2. dt is equal to minus 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. dt is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. Cross multiplication 2 dt is equal to into dx minus 2 dt is equal to minus 3 x raised to half is root x dx. So 2 by minus 3 dt is equal to root x dx. Root x dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 dt divided by, this is t raised to 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into integral dt by t square equals minus 2 by 3 into dt by t square is t raised to integral t raised to minus 2 dt is equal to minus 2 by 3 into t raised to minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, that minus into minus plus 2 by 3 into t raised to minus 1 equals 2 by 3 divided by t is equal to 2 by 3 into what is t? 30 minus x raised to 3 by 2. This is equal to fx. Now our integral is equal to 2 by 3. Integral is equal to, what is the first value? F of 9 minus f of 4 is equal to 2 by 3 common, that take outside 1 divided by 30 minus 9. 9 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 30 minus 9 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to square root 9 raised to half raised to 3. 9 raised to half is root 9 raised to 3. Root 9 is 3. 3 cube is equal to 27. 1 by 30 minus 27 minus 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 4 raised to half whole raised to 3. 4 raised to half is root 4 whole raised to 3. Root 4 is 2. 2 cube. So 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2 is 30 minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 30 minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 is 2 cube is equal to 8. 30 minus 8 equals 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 22. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 22. Taking LCM, 2 by 3 into LCM 66 by 3, 22 minus 66 by 22, 3 equals 2 by 3 into 19 by 66 equals 19 divided by 33 into 3 is 99. 19 divided by 99. Next question. Question number 3. Evaluate integral 1 to 2 x dx divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. The given expression is of the partial form. So we write x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Multiplying throughout by x plus 1 as x plus 2, we get a into x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. To find the values of a and b, first we put to make the say 0. Here put x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 is equal to b into minus 1. Therefore b is equal to 2. Then put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to minus 1. Now x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to integral a minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b integral 2 by x plus 2 is equal to minus log absolute value of x plus 1 plus 2 log absolute value of x plus 2. This is equal to f of x minus log absolute value of x plus 1 plus 2 log x plus 2 equals f of x. Now our integral is integral 1 to 2. So f of 2 minus f of 1 is equal to, first we put x is equal to 2 minus log, what is 2? 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 log 2 plus 2, 4. Then next value minus of minus log x is equal to 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 log x is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 log 3 is equal to equals minus log 3 plus 2 log 4 minus minus plus log 2 minus 2 log 3. Here minus log 3 and minus 2 log 3 is minus 3 log 3 plus 2 log 4 plus log 2 is equal to log 2 log 4 is 4 square. Log 2 is into 2 by minus 3 log 3 is log divided by 3 cube is equal to log 16 into 2 32 divided by 3 cube 27. Log 32 divided by 27. Fourth question. Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin cube 2t into cos 2t into dt. Put sin 2t is equal to u. Cos 2t into 2 dt is equal to du. Integral sin cube 2t into cos 2t dt is equal to integral sin 2t is u. So sin cube 2t is u cube into cos 2t into, what is cos 2t into dt is equal to du by 2. U cube into du by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into integral u cube du is equal to 1 by 2 into u raised to 4 by 4 equals 1 by 8 into u raised to 4 equals 1 by 8 into what is u? U is sin 2t raised to 4 means sin raised to 4 2t. This is equal to a function in t. 1 by 8 sin raised to 4 2t. This is a function in 8. Now f of t. Now this is f of t. I is equal to our integral is f of what is first pi by 4 minus f of 0 is equal to 1 by 8 into sin raised to 4 into 2 into pi by 4 minus first value pi by 4 next value sin raised to 4 into 2 into 0 equals 1 by 8 into sin 2 cancelled sin raised to 4 pi by 2 sin raised to 4 pi by 2 minus sin 0 equals 1 by 8 into sin raised to 4 pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 1 sin pi by 2 means sin 90 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 8. Homework 7.9 1 to 12. Thank you.